So I just created a new Angular project. I haven't done anything to it. So just make sure you wait for all your dependency install first. So there shouldn't be any like yellow icon on the dependency. So first thing what you want to do is go to your project directory, and then you want to install popper.js and fontawesome, and just save it. npm install js fontawesome. Alright, once those two things install, go to your Webpack config vendor and add in the fontawesome for the non-tree shakeable modules. So I'll paste that in, and I'll just save it. Now what you want to do is you want to run the Webpack config. So type in, see if I can expand this out, config webpack.config.vendor.js. When you run this, it might freeze. If it freezes, just do Control-C and then just run it again. Once you see this, that means done. So to test it out, I'm going to go open up the app and go to the component and home. So I'll just get rid of all of this in the home component.html, and I'm just going to try to test it out. Put in the fontawesome, save it. I'm just going to ignore this for now. I'm just going to try to run it. And it should have the home icon. Let's try npm install, X out this. Try run it again. What is going on? App core. Let's see if we can try to install the npm install webpack plugin. Okay, let's try running it again. Finger crossed, and like it's working.